Alright, what's going on YouTube? It is Kayak Quest here, coming back with another video, and today we will be doing some ultralight fishing. It is personally one of my favorite types of fishing of all time. So we're going to see if we can get on some bluegill. I want to keep a few for some catfish bait, and then I don't know, maybe we'll stumble across some crappie, maybe some bass as well. That'll also be a fun time too. So yeah, let's get right to it. Oh goodness, look at this. I just filmed the intro to this video and I put my rod in my rod holder and the bluegill ate my gulp minnow. Maybe I need to start doing that more often. Look at that. Well, that was funny. Hey, at least we know there's bluegill here, right? Oh, got one. I didn't even feel him bite, bro. Oh no, did he swallow it? Don't tell me he swallowed it. No, I don't think so. Oh, there you go. Cool. All right, let's put him in the bucket right there. Got another one right there. And they're stacked in this little pocket right here. Another bluegill. Man, that's number 3 already, and we just started. Put him right there. Man, we might get catfish bait quick today. Man, let's make another cast right there. Let me show y'all what I'm using on my ultralight setup today. So that is a 1-inch Berkeley gulp minnow. That is the smelt color, and then that is on a 1/64 ounce jig head, and then that is on 2-pound fluorocarbon line. So biggest thing with these gulp minnows is you want to make sure that bait is straight as I choke up. Otherwise, if you don't have it on there straight, then the bait will actually start to twirl in the water. But you really want it. I got hit right there. Nope, thought I did. You want it as straight as possible so it just slowly goes down the water column, and then that bait looks like it's a dying minnow. So you're gonna let it fall to the bottom, and then if you don't get anything on the fall, once it gets to the bottom, you'll start twitching it, and then you want to just slightly reel as well. Make a few more casts in this little pocket right here. Whew. It is hot. Oh, got one right there. Another one. Another bluegill. Wow, look at that one. Another nice bluegill. Don't flop, buddy. Look at that one right there. Got purple on them. That is a good bluegill. All right, let's put them in there. We keep in a few today. I don't know, maybe 7-ish, 7 or 8. Got it. Oh, man, they're stacked in this little pocket. I almost have to switch up my gulp minnow. It's close to it. If I get on there straight again. Yep, cool. Oh, got one right there. Oh, look at that. That is a crappie. Oh, goodness. Look at that. Wow, hook came right out. Yeah, look at that. That's a crappie. Nice little crappie. I'll keep him. May throw him back, but for right now we'll keep him as bait. I want to show you all on my live scope real quick. Look at all the fish right there. Looks like it's right in the shaded area. Right here. That's a big glare. Let's see if we can get him real quick. Oh, just like that, got hit. Just if y'all are wondering, line swimming right there. I did throw that crappie back, so I decided not to keep him. Another bluegill. Put him right in there. If I get on some smaller ones, I'll throw the bigger ones back, but there's a barge coming by right here. Got one right there. It's been a few minutes since I got in a bluegill. Probably just keep one more and call it right there. Got one right there. There's a slight breeze. Ow. Ow. Slight breeze that's pushing me a little quicker than I would like. Alright. Oh, nope, 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 nope. Come here, buddy. Come here. Alright. That'll be the last one I keep for today. Alright. Cool. Yeah, I'm not gonna keep any more. I got plenty in the bucket right there. So I don't like to keep more than what I need because I don't like to be greedy. Alright guys, that is going to conclude today's video. Probably going to be a little bit of a shorter video. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. And don't forget, go catch them. Peace.